Hey guys, Brandon here with slingmods.com, and today we have our clear acrylic touring windshield for the Can-Am Spyder RT. Rider fatigue. If you ride for long distances, you know that rider fatigue caused by continued exposure to high-speed wind is a real thing. Now, one of the things that makes the Spyder RT such a great touring bike is the factory windshield's adjustable height. But what about the width? Well, we partnered up with our friends over at Show Chrome Accessories to develop an affordable replacement windshield to address this issue. Now, this upgraded shield maintains its stock height and provides an additional 4.5-inch increase in width over the stock shield to help minimize air to the rider pocket so you can enjoy longer rides at a greater level of comfort. This shield is made up of DOT acrylic for optical clarity and features dual vents to reduce buffeting and wind noise. The installation only takes a few minutes and reuses all factory hardware, so allow me to walk you through the installation process. Now before you begin, make sure your windshield is at its highest position. Then using a T25 Torx, remove these two screws from behind the windshield. Then go around to the front and lift the top corner of the cover slightly and slide it down to remove it completely. Once off, remove these 4 T30 Torx screws and be careful when you get to the last 2 screws because the windshield will be loose from the bike, so you may want to enlist an extra hand to hold the windshield while you take out the last screw. Now carefully take a screwdriver and pop out these metal rings inside the rubber grommets on your stock windshield. Then you can simply pull out the rubber grommets after that. Next, transfer those rubber grommets over to the new windshield. Followed by the metal rings. Then just line up the new windshield to the bike. Reinstall the 4 T30 Torx screws finger tight. Then make sure the shield is nice and straight before tightening it down the rest of the way so that it's nice and snug. And then finally, you can reattach the front covers and tighten them down with the same T25 Torx screws. So if reducing the amount of wind that hits your body while riding is on your list of to-dos, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a new Spyder RT touring windshield for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.